What if I told you that parasites can be broadly classified in a way that makes them much easier to understand and even easier to remember for exams? Today, we're going to break down the overview and classification of medically important parasites step by step. Parasitology is the study of parasites. Parasites are subdivided into two: endoparasites and ectoparasites. Let's start with ectoparasites. Ectoparasites are made up of the following. First, crustacea. Examples include crab, prawn, and water flea. Second, myriapoda. Examples include millipede and centipede. Third, insecta. Examples include butterfly, cockroach, housefly, mosquitoes, and ants. Fourth, arachnida. Examples include spider, scorpion, mites, and ticks. And finally, onychophora. Example, peripatus. Now, let's move to endoparasites. Endoparasites are subdivided into two: protozoa, which are unicellular, and helminthes, which are multicellular. For protozoa, they are subdivided into four: 1. Sarcomastagora, 2. Ciliates, 3. Sporozoans, 4. Microsporida. The first division of protozoa, Sarcomastagora, is divided into two: Sarcodyna, also known as the amoeba, and Mastagophora, also known as the flagellates. Sarcodyna is divided into 1. Intestinal amoeba. Examples include Entomoeba coli, Entomoeba dispar, Entomoeba histolytica, Entomoeba hartmanni, Endolimax nana, and Iodomoeba buchley. 2. Free-living amoeba. Examples include Niglaria fowleri and Acanthamoeba castellani. Mastagophora is divided into 1. Intestinal flagellates. Examples include Giardia lamblia, Dientamoeba fragilis, and Chilomastix mesneili. 2. Genitourinary flagellates. Examples include Trichomonas vaginalis, Trichomonas tenax, and Trichomonas hominis. 3. Blood and tissue flagellates. Examples include Leishmania donovani, Leishmania brasiliensis, Trypanosoma bracero-rhodiensis, Trypanosoma bracegombiense, and Trypanosoma cruzi. The second division of protozoa, Ciliates. Example, Balantidium coli. The third division of protozoa, sporozoans, are subdivided into two: 1. Blood sporozoans. Examples include Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium ovale, Plasmodium malaria, Plasmodium knowlesi, and Babesia species. 2. Coccidia. Examples include Isospora belli, Cyclospora cayetensis, Toxoplasma gondii, Cryptosporidium parvum, and Sarcocista species. The fourth division of protozoa, Microsporida, is subdivided into three: 1. Those that cause ocular infections. Example, Vitiforma cornea. 2. Those that cause intestinal infection. Example, Encapsulidozone intestinalis. 3 others. Example, Nosema conori. Now, let's move to helminthes. Helminthes are subdivided into two: platyhelminthes, also known as flatworms, and nemathelminthes, also known as roundworms. Platyhelminthes are subdivided into flukes trematodes and tapeworm cestodes. Cestodes, also known as tapeworms. Examples include Taenia solium, the pig tapeworm; Taenia saginata, the cow tapeworm; Diphyllobotrium latum, the broadfish tapeworm; Echinococcus granulosus, the smallest tapeworm; Echinococcus multiocularis; Hymenolepsis diminuta, the rat tapeworm; Hymenolepsis nana, the dwarf tapeworm; Dipylidium canines, the dog tapeworm; Spirometra species, causing sparginosis. Trematodes, also known as flukes. 1. Blood flukes: Schistosoma hematobium, Schistosoma monsoni, and Schistosoma japonicum. 2. Lung flukes: Paragonomus westermanni. 3. Liver flukes: Facilla hepatica, Apastorchis species, and Clonorchis sinensis. 4. Intestinal flukes: Fasciolopsis buski, Heterophyes, and Metagonomus yokogawa. Finally, nemathelminthes, also known as roundworms, are subdivided into four: 1. Those gotten via ingestion of eggs. Examples include Trichuris trichuria, Enterobius vermicularis, and Ascaris lumbricoides. 2. Those gotten via penetration of larvae examples include hookworm, which includes Necator americanus and Ancylostoma duodenale, Strongyloid stercoralis, and Ancylostoma brasiliensis. 3. Those gotten via eating improperly cooked meat example, Trichinella spiralis. 4. Those that are gotten through vectors examples include Wuchereria bancrofti, Brugia malayi, Loa loa, and Onchocerca volvulus. And that's a complete overview of the classification of medically important parasites. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.